Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off and show the download menu when downloads begin in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Settings and More icon at the top right corner of the browser screen. Left click on that, and then select Settings. Select the Downloads button on the left side. And then where it says show downloads menu when a download starts, toggle this to the on position if you want to keep it on. If you want to turn it off, you just turn it to the off position. Disabling this setting could make it harder to know when a file starts downloading. So that's pretty straightforward, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.